In today's video, I'm going to teach you ChatGPT Data Analysis versus ChatGPT Code Interpreter explained. If you've ever felt confused about the difference between these two features, this video will make it simple. They're closely related, but they are not exactly the same thing. Understanding how they work can help you choose the right tool for your task and get better results with less effort. Let's start with ChatGPT Data Analysis. Advanced data analysis is a feature designed to help you analyze files, datasets, spreadsheets, and reports. In practical terms, that means you can upload business data, research files or structured documents, and ask ChatGPT to help make sense of them. It can identify trends, summarize information, and create visualizations, which makes it especially useful for business intelligence, reporting, and research. One of the biggest advantages is that it handles a lot of data processing with very little manual effort. Instead of sorting through rows of information yourself, ChatGPT can work directly with your uploaded files and generate insights for you. For example, you might upload a sales spreadsheet and ask ChatGPT to identify the top-performing products. That's a great example of data analysis in action, because the goal is to understand the data, extract useful findings, and present them clearly. Now let's talk about Code Interpreter. Code Interpreter is the underlying capability that allows ChatGPT to run Python code. This is what powers many of the more technical tasks happening behind the scenes. It can perform calculations, clean messy data, create charts, and automate repetitive data tasks. It's especially valuable when working with large datasets, because code can process information more accurately and consistently than manual analysis. This makes it useful for developers, analysts, and researchers who need more than just a summary and want actual computational work done. A simple example would be asking ChatGPT to write and execute Python code to calculate monthly revenue growth. In that case, the focus is less on the report itself and more on the calculations and logic used to produce the answer. So what's the key difference? Data analysis focuses on insights, reports, and visualizations. Code Interpreter focuses on executing code and performing computations. You can think of data analysis as the user-facing workflow, while Code Interpreter is the engine that powers many of the technical operations underneath it. Together, they make it possible to upload a CSV file and automatically generate charts, summaries, and statistical analysis. So which one should you use? Use data analysis when you're working with spreadsheets, reports, and business data. Use Code Interpreter when you need calculations, automation, or custom data processing. In reality, most users benefit from both working together because they complement each other and make data analysis faster, easier, and more accurate.